The phrase Honda Luxury Motorhome is more likely to relate to a creative concept, digital representation, or third-party luxury modification of one of Honda's automobiles than it does to an actual motorhome type. Perhaps a commercial box truck, if Honda manufactures one for a particular market in the future, or a van similar to the Honda Odyssey. The appearance of the 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome will therefore be heavily influenced by the vehicle base that is utilized as well as the designer's or mod's concept. We can, however, make some educated guesses about potential external design features that combine luxury accents, motorhome utility, and Honda's iconic style. The outside of the RV will probably have streamlined, aerodynamic lines to enhance fuel economy, or electric range if EV-based, and decrease wind resistance, in keeping with Honda's emphasis on efficient and modern design. Honda's current design language will probably be incorporated into the front grille, maybe with streamlined LED headlights, a large Honda emblem, aluminum, lightweight composites, and body panels with a high-end paint job will probably all be used in the body. Large rear and side windows to let in as much natural light and views as possible. It's likely that the window design will blend in perfectly with the body. Sliding side doors, for vans, or regular doors that, when closed, don't interfere as much with the body lines. Wide back doors make it simple to enter storage spaces or, if one is available, a compact garage. Perhaps a roof with built-in solar panels to power the motorhome's electrical system, or a pop-up roof with an aerodynamic design for more sleeping space. An integrated roof rack allows you to carry more stuff. Dynamic turn signals and taillights made by Honda. Extra lighting to improve visibility and safety. Modern and stylish alloy wheels that are tailored to the dimensions and style of the RV. A selection of sophisticated and contemporary hues, sometimes accompanied by a two-tone design or delicate chrome or silver accents for a touch of extra luxury. Automated awning. The body design incorporates such with ease. Stairs with electricity for simple entry and exit. Two-purpose rear door can serve as a little outdoor platform or an access door. Design that reduces the number of joints in the body for a more streamlined, aerodynamic appearance. With an emphasis on passenger comfort and room, the interior will be cleverly and efficiently built to make the most of the available area. The use of high-end materials like exquisite leather, elegantly finished natural wood, and superior recycled textiles. A focus on long-lasting and gentle touches. Seats and tables that are readily foldable or movable, as well as an interior design that can be altered to accommodate different demands. Perhaps with a slide-out mechanism to increase the living area. Leather chairs with massage, heating, cooling, and electronic adjustable features. Seats at the back that may be adjusted to make a cozy bed. Large touchscreen with easy-to-use interface for motorhome, navigation, and infotainment system management. Digital instrument panel that is both adjustable and informative. Excellent sound system with well-positioned speakers, a rear passenger entertainment screen, and extensive connectivity. An energy-efficient mini fridge, a sink with a designer tap, a portable or integrated induction stove, and clever storage are all features of this kitchen module. Worktops made of sturdy, easily cleaned materials. A folding sink and shower with an effective water system, as well as a portable toilet or small toilet cassette. A system of warm, soft lighting that may be adjusted in intensity and mode to produce a variety of moods. Cabinets, drawers, and sections that optimize storage capacity without sacrificing interior style. USB connections, Wi-Fi, wireless charging, and remote control integration with smart applications. HVAC system that is both efficient and individually adjustable. In the event that Honda creates an electric van modeled like a high-end motorhome, the inside will probably highlight open areas, simple styling, and smooth EV technology integration. Natural lighting and eco-friendly materials will be key components.